So,
So, how are
sir, I am fine. And what's about you?
Yes, I'm also good. So, we are meeting first time. So, let's
Yes, sir.
introduce self.
Yes.
Okay. So, basically, I belong to Bihar state.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, my name
I
is Yeah, yeah. Sir, my name is Komal Pal, and I am from Prayagraj, and I am a student, and I study in 12th standard, and my father is farmer, and my mother is a homemaker, and my hobbies are reading a book and write a story and etc. And that's all about me from my side.
oh, thank you for giving me your introduction. Okay,
Yeah.
let's talk about myself. I belong to Bihar state. I'm a teacher at primary school, as well as I'm helping to the beginner student in a spoken field. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I like to talk with the new people and giving the new kinds of idea relate of our communication skills so that people can learn something new by me. Okay, it's all about me.
So you are, I mean, government teacher?
No, I'm a private school teacher because
Okay.
nowadays it is very difficult to finding job in government. That's why.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. Which kind of teaching? I mean, which type of which subject teaching?
Okay. Let me tell you. Basically, I have been teaching all kinds of subjects because in primary school you will get only the very little class standard students, so you can manage easily if you are experienced, so you can
Yes.
manage, right? Okay, may I ask you any question?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so like how long have you been learning this language?
Yeah. So actually, my English journey, I am learning English 1 month, actually 2 months, but between after 30 days, I stopped then for learning English. Then I am before then after now before my English is good because I am continue, but now days I am not continue. Then something is a weak.
Okay, I understand. So why did you left? May I know the reasons behind it? Why did you left?
Yeah, yeah. So actually, I have some problem, so I am not continue. But now I am also again continue because it's very important for every person and as a, like a student learning English.
Okay. As you mentioned, are you studying 12th class? Am I
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. So how do you manage your study as well as this language?
Yeah, yeah.
This
Sir, yeah, it's very, sir, it's very difficult for me. So I am not continue as a reason because I now I am going to 12th class. So now I have very work because I have PCM subject. Then it's very important for and join up offline coaching and so for learning English, morning time I learn daily to daily vocab, 10, 15 vocab daily to daily, and repeat it. And and I am also learning on myself. Any topics, any kind of topics, I am also learning for myself. In I understand for me.
okay. Yeah, that's good. I think self study is a much essential more than really depending on someone.
Yes,
If you
sir.
want to become better in any kinds of field, so you have to do a study yourself. That is a great way of extending the experience level in yourself.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Actually, I have YouTube channel also, and I have managed in my YouTube.
Yeah, that's good. Obviously, you have a responsibility of your channels and as well as your study, and obviously
Yeah,
you are managing. situation also, like making food, helping your mothers, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah, yes,
you're a very mature person, good person according to me. I really
yeah.
appreciate you. And okay,
Actually,
tell me
sir,
like
yeah, yes, sir. Situation, I mean, condition, make a, I mean, mature in as a like.
yeah, yeah, you're right. If the bad time soon comes out in the any human's life, so they taught us many kinds of lessons. We
Yeah,
learn as faster than as we can.
yes, sir.
Okay, and that's why without reaching the appropriate age, people before become so much mature and they have a developed, I think, better concept of life more than elder persons. Right?
Yes, sir.
I can
So,
understand. I also
yeah,
belong to a medium family, you can say.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so I
So, sir, how have been you also learning English as a, like you to because you teaching student so speaking. I mean, which I mean, how does you learn English only speaking?
okay. Let me basically I also learning by myself, just like you. Some of
Yes,
time when I couldn't get any people around me, so I used to practice with myself as well as I used to create a little sentence related of any
yeah,
stuff. There were so many kinds of way I used to apply at my personally, okay, at my
yes,
home.
sir.
So I will get some transforming sentence. I will have so many sentences. So after talking with the new peoples, I will never face any kinds of lack of
Yes,
sentence.
yeah,
So
yeah.
that's
I
why,
know.
yes.
Yeah, sir. Actually, English. Any person as a like a no English. I mean, but first importance if speaking, then firstly importance speaking talking each other person firstly important. So you I have also gone in my fear firstly in make a video in on myself, and I see video, and as like a after that 1 month I increase me.
Okay, yeah, of course, because you just recognized your internal strength, how capable you are in this field, and then
Yes,
you
sir.
take ahead one step towards this goal, this communication is good. So it is a better, I think. The
Yes,
being
sir.
starting conversation with the people is not a very easy, according to me. You have to jot down so many confidence internally to facing the people
Yeah, yeah.
attention on you,
Yes, sir.
right? And
Yeah.
while conversation with any people, you will have so many hesitations, right? If the
Yeah,
people are staring you, continuously they will staring you while
yeah, yeah.
talking times. So you have to like feeling hesitation, so many things, nervousness, right? I
Yes,
can
sir.
feel.
Yes, sir. Actually, yeah. Actually, I saw in my village many girls. I mean, not facing and not talking each other person. So I have also have a fear. But if I have decided no, I gone in my fear. So I start in speaking and learning English. I if actually in my coaching and in my school, English is very I mean important, and many teachers saying me no English is important. So I know you are Hindi medium student, but speaking is important. So first time I have a fear, very fear, how to learn English and how to speak it. So but I have decided, and I see many person YouTube channels, many person speaking English. So I have also decided.
Yeah, you whatever decision have you taken in your previous time, that was really great, really good for you, no? That's why still you are able to speaking with me, you are convey your thoughts. So it is
Yes, sir.
obviously you can say you are going gradually, you are reaching your goal. Okay, enough you have to maintain your consistency and meeting with the different kinds of persons. Ultimately, your confidence
Yes,
will be built. building out internally, and then
yeah,
one time you will remove your hesitation internally,
yeah.
to create, and then you will become so much fluent, and you will be the inspiration of other people also.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so I have a question. Like nowadays, how have you been improving this language? What new idea? What kinds of new idea could you apply in your speaking field?
I mean, you say that how is this time important for learning English and many.
Yeah, basically, so many people are doing a different kinds of idea, different kinds of thing for learning
Yeah,
this.
yeah,
So, your new way, new idea. I just want to know.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, sir. Actually, it's my idea for English. It's a very different. I mean, same language. If I know English, I speaking. So I go to in different countries and different. I mean state, and I am talking each other person, and I understand also many person who is saying me, and I also. So it's very helpful for many I mean as a, like many person, any person, and it's if I know speaking English, so people looking me different ways to looking me. Yeah, it's
Yes,
very smart, and as like a
yes,
simple, and yeah, as like a English knowing person, very different ways too. And it's very important if I get any exam uh, in my future. So English is very important, sir. I know English writing it's important, and many students know English writing and know English grammar, but speaking is also very important. If I know
yes.
English and I found of any job, so um, in other, I mean, if I know English, so it's very different other any person's
Post,
words. Yes, sir.
post. Stage, label,
Yes, sir.
different
Yeah.
different kinds of stage, labels, post. The human
Yes.
get after having the experience of
Yeah.
English.
Or yeah. Yes, sir. Actually, villagers are not important for learning English, and as a, like I am also in my village. Actually, um, I know English and I speak English. I mean, many person know English but not speaking because he has a fear. I am not speaking. He has a fear. I couldn't speak. So, firstly, important you gone in own self or your fear. So, definitely is a gone.
Yeah, you're right. First of all, we have to expose self. We need
Yes.
to expose self. Then we will realize our internal capacity, how able, how better we are in this field, and other people will looking out towards us, so they will be admiring us. Like that people even doesn't to the village area, but still they have been speaking well more than other
Yeah.
people.
Yes, sir.
You can create a better image around the societies, right? The
Yeah.
people are starting respecting you, right? So many things can be happen. Change something, right? You will
Yes,
be
sir.
as a
I
more
have also. Yeah. I have also faced many kind of situation because if I know some word, if I speak, so my friend and many person he is very, I mean बहुत ज़्यादा आने लगा English. Then I say that मतलब as like a, so not don't care me, and I am also continue, no, I am speaking. He
yes,
love me and ask me.
you are right. Those people who have been saying like that, who are not able to do anything in life, don't
Yes,
focus on them. You just keep going on whatever which is a requirement for your growth
yes,
of
sir.
life. Okay, don't focus of useless person, because
Yeah,
useless person says many kinds of statement
yes, sir.
against you, and they want to just demotivate you. You don't focus on them. They are useless, and you are better than that person.
Yes,
Always
sir.
focus. Just keep going on towards your goal. Try to come to that goal in your life. You're doing very good. Okay. And maintain your consistency. Don't defeat yourself from any kind of situations. No matter what people says about you, don't care. Okay?
So sorry,
So
sir. I